Hello, good evening students. Let us see one problem student that is asked by my student in the morning only, but because of the time problem I did not reply, but extremely sorry. Now I am going to solve this problem. The question is what the standard enthalpy of formation of HCl. Okay, so delta HF, HCl they are given is standard. How much is given? That you can see here, minus 92.2. Okay, this is in the kilojoule per mole, right? Next one, they are saying that is hydrogen, enthalpy of atomization is given, that is here is H, atomic form they have given, and how much it is given is student, that is 217. This is too much, that is very high. Okay, why it is very high? Because it is having the stable configuration, that is why you must be knowing from the hydrogen chapter. And last one, delta HF, and here is the chlorine Cl is there. Okay, for that also it is there 121.4 kilojoule per mole. So this is also kilojoule per mole. Now if we talk about student enthalpy of formation, what are the hydrogen and chlorine are more than the what HCl, right? This is, you can see, these are the hydrogen, chlorine are more than the HCl. So how the bond dissociation enthalpy you can calculate? Okay, so they are asking that is calculate the bond dissociation enthalpy of HCl, hydrogen given, chlorine given, so you can easily calculate. Okay, so that is bond dissociation enthalpy. Okay, bond dissociation enthalpy of HCl. Okay, so how can you calculate? That is bond dissociation enthalpy, you can say, that is you can easily calculate from the enthalpy of formation of H, and then here it will be the formula student, enthalpy of formation of product. Okay, product minus reactant, enthalpy of formation of reactant, enthalpy of formation of reactant. Okay, formation of reactant. Up dear students, what we have to keep in mind here, that is what are the, if you are breaking it out, that is if you are breaking HCl, okay, what you are going to get? It will give H you are going to get. Okay, so you are breaking in such a way that is, okay, neutral molecule you are getting atomization, so H and H. So you are, that is enthalpy of formation of product minus reactant. So you can easily calculate, that is enthalpy of formation is what is there, student, product. So delta, you can write HF for hydrogen plus delta HF for what is Cl minus delta HF, what will come student here, that is it will come HCl. This is three things over. Now dear students, what we can do here, delta HF hydrogen, you can see out, that is how much it is given. Okay, so here is HF is given 217.7. so I am writing here hydrogen 217.7 plus, that is chlorine, how much is given student? Delta HF chlorine 121.4. so it will come student 121.4, right? You add it out, minus what will come student, that is it will come, that is HCl, so that is minus, in bracket it will come minus 92.2. okay, so you add it out students, how much it is coming if you are adding out. So 7 and 4 is how much student? 11. And here is 7 and 1, 819. Okay, and that is 213 and 213, 339.1. and here if you are adding it out, plus into minus, this will be the what, plus, it will coming 92.2 will come students, right? So if you are adding this all as a whole student, it is coming, that is in bond dissociation enthalpy, how much it will come? 431.3 kilojoule per mole. So that is delta H, okay, dissociation, okay, delta H dissociation of HCl, how much is there student? 431.3 positive. which is correct answer student. Option number first it itself is correct. Thank you so much for watching dear student. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel students.